Hey guys, are you feeling distressed or getting saddened of receiving missing or damaged products from Zepto? Please don't worry, we'll check out today if there's any instant exchange or returns or refund from Zepto. Hello, namaste. How are you doing? Hope you're happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch really good videos and offers. As you see in the picture, we have ordered this awesome Dundee cake. This is rich plum cake, but unfortunately, it happened to be a fungus cake, as you see in the picture. Except for grocery or eatables, you have this return or exchange policy that would be mentioned on the product while you order on Zepto. As you see in the picture, you have sometimes 2 days or 7 days exchange or return policy. Most probably you will find only the exchange option but not return option. So please check out before you order. And Zepto has come up with viable options and latest update such as instant exchange and refund. So as you see in the picture, I'm going to use that option and get my refund. As you see in the picture, though the cake is tasty and rich in vitamins, yet I couldn't have it because of the fungus or the mold you see on it. Okay, anyways, we'll go check out as how to get instant refund on Zepto. As you see in the picture, go to Zepto app and you can click on profile icon. Once you click on that, go to orders. You got to select the order here for which you want refund or exchange. Okay, after you select the order, if your order is not delivered home and it shows on app as delivered, you can make a call as shown in the picture. Now you can select the product if you want return or exchange, or else you can select help for refund as shown in the picture. Okay, you can select here I have issue with the product. Once you select that, you can click on chat with us. After you click, this kind of screen appears before you and you have to select the product issue, whether you have received the product in bad condition or whether you have received wrong items. Depending on the product you have received, choose the options. Once you choose that, here I have received, my product has been received in bad condition. You have to select again the sub issue. I'm selecting here the product is infested because previously I have shown how the cake was, it is infested with fungus, right? Now you have to select the product or the name of the product. Once you select, click on submit. Here my product is cake, so I'm selecting the cake and clicking on submit, and you choose the quantity as well. Click on add product and attach the photo of the damaged product. Once you does that, you can click on upload, and after that you have to click on add comments and say the reason as why you want to have refund for the product. Here I'm writing the reason or the cause. Okay, as shown in the video, you can also write down your reason to claim refund and click on submit, and here you'll be asked whether you want refund to your original source of payment or else Zepto Cash. Do select Zepto Cash because you will have instant refund being credited to your Zepto wallet. So here I've chose Zepto Cash, and afterwards I have got a call from Zepto floor in charge or customer executive. After you talk, the issue would be cleared and you will get refund immediately, or you can have instant refund or else exchange as well, but no return. Now you can check in this way as whether you got refund or not. As you see in the picture, you can go to the profile icon. You can click on Zepto Cash. Here have been credited to my wallet the refund 36 rupees for the cake, right? And you can go to the orders as well. And if you want to rate the order and give your feedback, you can give as shown in the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling.